practice safe distancing and keep at least 1 meter apart. Asia. So, yung door dito, bago bubuksan, meron siyang sanitizer. So, medyo malapit ako sa mga birds. I'm quite fascinated, and then at the same time takot din ako kasi makatukain ako, pero ang gaganda nila, amazing. Napakainit pero ang laki naman nila. Hindi ko alam kung sino sila dyan, pero sila yan. Ang daming birds. Akala ko konti lang ang species nila, pero ang dami nila. Ang ganda nila. Ay, parang nakawig si ating bird. Magagandang klaseng birds. So, hindi sila basta-basta. Ayan siya. Lalapit siya mag-isa niya. Maganda yung color ng maganda yung color. Ay, ang dami niya. Different kinds of birds. Hallelujah. Maganda na. Ito, maganda siya. Like, oh my god. It's pretty so nice. I don't know what the name of that bird. If you can look closely, may blue and violet sa tok-tok niya. So, tapos na. Enjoy natin dito.
Thank you so much.
So, ayan, i-set up ko muna yung camera para makapag-selfie ako. Hirap naman. Oops, okay na. Self-service ito, mga mare.
you ready for the show? Yeah! Voucher. Okay, so presenting to you, Titan. Alright, good afternoon, Titan. Okay, let me get this from you. Alright. By the way, Titan here is a turkey voucher which can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. And they are pretty abundant in the wild, numbering over 10 million of them. Now, turkey vouchers, they are able to detect a rotting carcass from miles away. Hence, they will usually be the first bird to arrive on its area. But despite arriving first, the turkey vouchers, they are not able to break open tough carcass skin. That's because their beaks are not strong enough. Alright, they will have to have larger vouchers to do the job. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, let's give Titan a big hand for his appearance. Thank you so much. Okay, Titan, we can head back home all the way to John. Titan, our turkey voucher. What bird makes that sound? Owl, that's right, a young kid answered from there. Well, they're able to fly very silently, okay? And this owl is going to demonstrate to us just that. So, remain in your seat and be as quiet as possible as this owl is going to demonstrate to you its ability of a silent flight. Wow, silent flight above some of you. The owl over here, his name is Belang. And belang is a Malay fish owl. Malay fish owls can be found throughout Southeast Asia, including Singapore. That's right, one of our local species. And this particular species has evolved to hunt for fish as well, which makes them very, very unique indeed. And look at who has joined us. Alright, we'll give a moment for the plane to fly off first. Hey, so Simon has done very well. How about another silent flight? All the way back home. Look at him fly. Belang, you have done very well. And how about you head back home? I'll see you later, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for Belang, or Malay fish owl? 3 bucks. Underneath these items, I am going to place some food. Okay, to simulate the food that these birds go for, such as insects and worms. Let's now welcome Ro! Hello, Ro! Come, join me on stage. Alright, Ro, what do you do with the rocks? Look at him go, everyone. He is using his long legs and flat claws to overturn the rocks in search of food underneath. If they are lucky, they might find their food there, okay? Alright, Ro, you found everything already. Come on, show me what do you do with the leaves. See that? He uses his feet as well to sweep the leaves. Alright, Raul, one more time please. Okay, good job. Here you go. Okay, Raul, the 3 bucks now. Use your beak please. That's right, he uses his beak to lift it up to see what is underneath. Go on. Thank you. Raul, up here. By the way, Raul here is a southern crested caracara, and they can be found in South America. They are the largest of all caracara, okay? And Raul here is already 30 years old, everyone. Yes, 30 years old, just as old as I am. Okay, but look at him, still very strong and very, very playful. Wow. Okay, Raul, you've done very well, and I guess you know the way back home. All the way is a piece of meat. Okay, right at the tip of it. The bird is going to come out and snatch it away. Let's see if he can do it, alright? Now look to your right, everybody. Let us know. Welcome, Rado. Here he comes. And a good snatch. Alright. Now, how about second snatch, Rado? Okay. Let him enjoy his trip first. Rado, can you do it the second time? The second snatch. Yes, he can. Oh, not only that, okay, they are able to catch food in mid-air as well. Imagine grasshoppers flying from one field to another field on their migrations. These birds will go on a feeding frenzy, okay? Let's see if he is able to catch this grasshopper. High up. Wow. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, Rado will now be joined by his friends. Look right back there. Here we come now, one by one. some drawings, okay, of this food, and let's see how many of it they are able to catch. Starting with number 1. Whoa, you missed it. All right. That was a very bad throw on my side. Okay, I shall throw higher one, okay? Number 1. Whoa, wow, who counted that? Thank you so much. How about the rest of you? Come together with me. Number 2. Why are you still at number 1? Okay, number 3. Come on. Wow. Okay, number 4. Wow. And for the last one, I shall do a very high one, okay? Let's see, let's see. Okay, get into position first, right up there. Alright, once you're ready, I am ready, let's go. Number 5. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, 5 catches. Well done. Look at the way he walks, that menacing walk. That's because he is the alpha for our weight of vultures. Alright, that is Shadow, by the way. Over here we have Barros, and over there right at the back we have Borat. They are the cinereous vultures from Europe, Asia and Africa. Now these two ladies, they are the marabou stock. Okay, and they can be found in Africa. They are also known as the old man stock because of the way that they look. Now take a good look at them, okay? Now it is a very common sight to see these birds coexisting with each other, feeding on a carrion, just like the one you see Shadow is on. But sadly everyone, vultures population are declining rapidly in the wild due to deforestation, poaching and even deliberate poisoning of carcasses. So let us do our part for conservation so that these birds get to stay alive. Now after having seen all these birds being shown here today, I'm sure that you would agree with me that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky.